Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the multiple figure 8 knot. This is a fun knot to use to make accessories or to add to your wall hangings. Let's get started. Before we make the multiple figure 8 knot, I'll take you through a quick recap of the figure 8 knot. Make an overhand loop. Bring the top cord underneath the bottom cord and then through the top of the loop. Make an overhand loop. Bring the top cord underneath and then over the bottom cord and make a loop. Repeat that process a few more times depending on how long you'd like your knot to be. Bring the top cord underneath the bottom cord one more time and then through each loop from top to bottom. Pull on the cords to evenly space out your knot. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, leave a comment, and/or share it. Tutorial requests are always welcome, so drop a comment below if you're interested in a specific knot or pattern tutorial. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook.